Hello guys. So today we are going to talk about what is data structures. So before moving to data structures topic, we will learn two things. First one is data, and other one is information. First, what is data? Data is quantities, characters, symbols on which operations are performed on a computer. Right? That is the simple meaning what is data. And next, what is meant by information? Information is simply processed data. Processed data. So, as an example, what is this? This is a data. So, if I process this, you can see, hi, process data. This is data. This is processing. After I process this data, it becomes an information. This is simply what is meant by information, right? So now I think that you will get a better idea about what is data and what is information. Now we will move on to what is meant by data structure, right? Data structure. Data structure is provide an appropriate way to organize data to use efficiently. That is the simple meaning. By data structures, data is organized to an appropriate way. That is meant by data structures. So, data structures can be divided into two types, right? There are two types. First one is linear. Linear data structure. And the second one is non-linear. Right? So we will discuss about these two topics in further videos. For now, there are different categories which belong to linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So I will give some examples for linear data structures. Right? Arrays, stack, queue, linked list. So these are linear data structures. I will tell you simply, in linear data structures, the data is going in a sequential order. So we will talk about in further videos that thing, and I will give you some examples for non-linear data structures also, right? In non-linear data structures, I will give you two examples. First one is trees, and second one is graph. Right? Data structures is divided into two types: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structures has arrays, stack, queue, linked list, and non-linear data structures has trees and graph. Okay, now we will talk about how to arrange data. So our topic is data structures. Simply in data structures we have to arrange data. So there are different ways to arrange data. First one is by permutation. second one is by algorithm, and the third one is sorting methods. Right? So by sorting methods, we can arrange data into ascending order and descending order. Right? So we will talk with these things in future videos. So now I will tell you some real world examples, right? So now we will talk about the real world examples of data structures. So keep in mind, data structures is a very important subject, because so many real world examples in IT field are based on this module, right? So first real world example is redo and undo. So I think you all have working with Microsoft Office, Google Forms, and you have an option to redo and undo. So by the help of data structures, this operation is done. We are using stack. I hope that you can remember, stack is a linear data structure. By stack, we can do redo and undo function. In Google Forms, Microsoft Office, any redo and undo function. So a stack is going for last in, first out. I will further describe this in further videos. This is a simple representation of stack, right? Last in, first out. So by using stack, redo and undo operation is done. So my second real world example is you guys are I mean everybody using social media, social networking. So let's take an example for Facebook. In Facebook, you have friends, right? Mutual friends. Storing friendship information is done by data structures, and the type of data structure is graph. This is non-linear data structure, right? By graphs, it helps to store friendship information. So these are the two real-world examples for in data structures. This is not the only thing that I just give you two examples for this. There are so many things, real-world examples. Okay. Now I hope that you will get a better understanding about what is data structures, what is data structure types, and what are the sorting methods, those things. Okay. Now in next video, I will talk about linear data structures. What is mean by linear data structures? Till then, goodbye guys.